Hi, this is Sri Lakshmi. Today I am going to talk about Assured CAN and EasyDO. What is CAN? CAN stands for Cargo Arrival Notice. A consignee gets ready to take delivery of their cargo after receiving this notice. How is CAN issued to Econship's consignee? Our system captures consignee's email IDs and shipper instructions. CANs are sent to these IDs automatically 3 days before the estimated time of arrival at the port of delivery. Therefore, it's 100% reliable. What about more detailed information like depot, CFS or free time? All information including CAN details can be checked at any time from track shipment. Sending a formal CAN is a habit from a time when there was no internet. Today, it serves only as an alert for the customer to begin import proceedings. What is DO? DO stands for Delivery Order. It is an authorization from the shipping line issued to the cargo custodian to release the cargo to a consignee. Custodian refers to the terminal or container freight station or inland container depot where the cargo is kept under customs bond. How do I get a DO from Econship? We have the simplest system whereby customers don't have to visit our office to get their delivery orders. After a one-time KYC is approved, a login will be sent to you. From then on, all shipping processes can be carried out from the Econship mobile app. What is the KYC process? It's easy and simple. Visit the consignee login page and click on the new KYC button. Then fill in all fields and submit a few mandatory documents. If all is okay, your KYC will be approved within 15 minutes. If we spot any error in your KYC, we will contact you within 15 minutes and advise you to rectify them. There is no need to email or call us. What happens after KYC approval? You will receive your password which lets you log in with your registered email ID. Now you can download the Econship app and proceed. In India, an additional step is necessary to access a particular BL because consignees deploy many CHAs for the same shipment. We can't know who the actual CHA is until we receive a letter of authorization from the consignee. It's straightforward and we grant access to the BL within 15 minutes of LOA submission. How do I apply for a DO with Econship? Cross the physical original BL and write the indemnity clause on it. The indemnity clause can be found in all automails as well as click events inside your login. Then photograph them from Econship app. For surrender PL or telex release, a simple photocopy or a letter of authorization is enough. After you pay as per the online invoice and update the payment entry online, you will receive the DO in your inbox within 15 minutes. You can also access your DO from the Econship app or via desktop. That's it. Yes, no bonds, no indemnities, no bureaucratic mess. How do I clarify any doubts during this process? Send us a message through I want against any BL in the list. We will respond within 2 minutes to address your queries. Calling or emailing is unnecessary. How do I extend a DO or ask for a change in depot or CFS? Use iService to pick an additional service from the ones listed. The services you select will automatically get added to your bill. Then finalize the bill yourself. After you make the payment and update the payment entry online, the service will be executed within 15 minutes. Does that mean everything is chargeable? Additional services are carried out for a nominal charge of $20 or less, which is much lower than the industry standards. Econship's practices are driven with the intent to excel in customer service. This small fee filters out non-serious cases and helps us to serve our genuine customers more efficiently. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link is given below.